How to find your user ID on Discord Mobile. If any day you would like to find a user ID on Discord Mobile but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the very Discord application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon of your mobile device, and after you proceed to the search icon of your mobile device, you have to search Discord out there. After you search Discord out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Discord application. After you tap on the very Discord application, Discord will be launched on your mobile device. After the Discord will be launched on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to make sure that you have also logged into your very account on the very Discord application. Now in order to find any of the user ID there, you can go to the very option of the messages there and then go to the option of the add friends. After you tap on add friends, now you have two of the option. Now the first is you can directly add by username. You can just enter the username that you would like to search and then send the friend request, or otherwise you can go to the option of find friends and then go to the option of get started. And after you go to the option of get started, you can enter your phone number there and go to the option of next. This way you can see the various type of contacts who have Discord and the very contacts who have opened the Discord there on the very Discord account there. And this way you can find the various kind of users on the Discord account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.